Welcome to Wellness by Mommy. I hope you are safe and sound. In today's video, let's talk about factors affecting labor induction. Many times inductions are done for the reason of being past your due date. There has been some research recently that shows that due dates actually need to be longer than 40 weeks. Often there are unnecessary inductions. Sometimes they are done because a woman is attempting vaginal birth after cesarean, or has suspected large baby. Many studies have shown that these are not necessarily good reasons for induction, particularly if the cervix is not ripe. Some women are fearful of induction for a variety of reasons, including the increased chances of a C-section, the increased need for pain medications, or the fear of the reason for induction, particularly if there is a question about the baby's health. Will an induction be more painful than natural labor? Not necessarily. That really depends more on your reasons for induction, the type of induction, and whether or not your mobility is limited. Many women are able to be induced and still follow through with their plans for an unmedicated birth, though they can expect certain changes in their birth plans. If induction is suggested, gather facts and information. All my videos will give you a better understanding of what is to be done and what to expect and the questions you can ask your health care provider. Possible questions to ask: why is it being suggested? How would it be attempted? What happens if it doesn't work? What happens if you do nothing? There isn't a consensus on the use of induction, though it has its time and place, as any intervention does for medical reasons, though even the experts can't agree on all of the times an induction would be the best choice. I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe for more interesting, evidence-based, educative and informative videos. Like and share this video. Turn on your notification icon so you can be notified when next I drop a new video. I desire for you good health and long life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and remain healthy. Peace.